Lantana is one of the very common names that we have heard as an invasive species. Now, these species have a tendency to spread like fire within the cities and the new areas they are invading, and they create an economic loss of more than 2.2 trillion they have created such a loss in the last 40 years. Now, these figures are very significant. These species are mainly affecting the agriculture, forestry and fishery worldwide. So, if we talk about the normalized cost, we can see globally it is 16 times higher, but in India it is nearly 100 times higher because of the underreported cases. Now, these invasive species could be any of the species which are which have actually invaded outside their native area. They thrive well in those atmosphere. Some of the reasons which have increased the invasive species includes climate change, global warming and conducive atmosphere. Also, through the cargo, through the transport, these invasive species get into new conditions or new places where they start to invade. Now, some of the major invasive species in India, as we said, are lantana, red-eared slider, African catfish, water hyacinth, Prosopis julifera and Neelid tilapia. Now, some of the important things that we need to understand is, for example, in Guam, there was the introduction of the brown tree snake, which actually wiped off most of the native forest birds in Guam. And this introduction of the brown tree snake was an accidental occurrence in the region, but it pushed all the native species into trouble. Now, some of the major factors that have led to biodiversity loss includes, of course, the invasive alien species, but besides that, climate change, pollution, exploitation of organisms, and then changes in the land and sea use are some of the major species. Not just these invasive species are a significant burden to the economy because, for example, the regions where lantana spreads, it actually does not allow the agricultural crops to blossom and therefore leading to decline in the agricultural production. Similarly, other invasive species are highly detrimental for fishery cultivation and fishery production, agricultural production and forests as well. So these have had a significant economic burden on the infrastructure and the agriculture as well as fisheries worldwide. So curbing the invasive species becomes very important, and this is one of the very important topics for you, specifically the major intruders in India. We will be covering more important topics. This is highly important for your prelims and an important case study for your mains answer writing. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.